Well, hi there pluckers, I will solve things again with you with hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. Of course, the classic song Greensleeves. So take off the Jeff Beck version, obviously not quite the same, but in the same vein, okay? So standard tuning, no capos, okay? So let me show you hopefully how I played it. Right, we'll start off with the introduction. This is optional, you could leave this out if you didn't want to play it. Okay, so I'm playing a D minor, but my fingering is a bit different. Normally you play like a D minor like this. I'm playing it with my, instead of my third finger, I'm using my pinky on that third fret of the second string. Okay, and what you do is basically you start off with 4 down to 1 and then back to 2. Okay, then you hit that 4th string and then put your third finger up to the 3rd fret on the 5th string. Okay, so you got, then you go to the 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string, 2nd string. Then you hit that 3rd on the 5th again. So now you got alright, so as we got, then basically these fingers have got to change over. The second finger goes up to the 2nd on the 5th, and the 3rd finger goes to the 2nd on the 3rd. Okay, and you play that 5th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, top E string, back to the 2nd string again. Okay, so now you got this slowly. Okay, then you pick that 2nd on the 5th again, and now we do a switcheroo with these two fingers, the 1st and the 2nd fingers. First finger goes to the 1st on the 5th string, and the 2nd finger goes to the 1st on the top E string. So then you hit that 1st on the 5th, 3rd string, 2nd string, top E string, and back to the 2nd string again. And then you hit that 1st on the 5th again, and then just leave these two fingers where they are and just move this 2nd finger up to the 2nd fret of the 4th string, open 5th string, 5 down to 1, A sus 2, 4 rather, A sus 4. Okay, and that's the intro. Okay, so very slowly. So I'll do it even slower. Okay, that's your intro. Now the actual Greensleeves itself, I start off with a D minor. You hit that. I'm starting off with the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then strum the D minor. Then I'm adding my pinky to the top E string on the 3rd fret. Okay, so right, so you got that note there. Then what you do is this chord. All you need is your first finger on the bottom E string, 3rd fret, and your pinky on the top E string, 5th fret. And you hit that bottom, the way I play it, I hit that bottom E string and then strum the top 4 strings, the open 4th, the open 3rd, the open 2nd and the 5th string, top E string, 5th fret. So it's bottom E string on its own, 3rd fret, and then fall down to 1 with pinky on the top E string, 5th fret. So now you've got so you hit that first and then strum the 4 strings or arpeggiate them, okay? Then you've got a choice. I play this double notes, okay? That's the 7th fret of the 3rd string and the top E string, and the same on the 5th fret on the 3rd and 5th fret on the top E string. So I'm playing the 3rd string with my thumb and I'm picking the top E string with my finger. Or you could just hit the top E string on the 7th fret and the 5th fret. You can either do that or you can do 2 notes. Okay, so far. Okay, or you could do a simplified version. Right, so it's okay, whichever you like best or can do. Then we play a C, but with pinky on the top E string, 3rd fret. Okay, so 5 down to 1. Alright. Then you play the top E string open, and then an A minor. So right from that, from the beginning. Okay. Then pinky goes up to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then the top E string open. So now you've got as far as we got D minor, strum, then the 3rd on the 2nd, and then we play an E7. So that's an E chord without the 3rd finger, open 4th string, but add your pinky to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So 2nd on the 4th, sorry, 2nd on the 5th, sorry, 2nd on the 5th, open 4th, 1st on the 3rd and 3rd on the 2nd, top E string open. So now we've got this. All 6 strings you can strum on that one. Then the 1st on the 2nd, and then the 3rd on the 2nd. Okay, so now you've got this. As far as we got. Then we play the A minor, 5 downwards, then the 1st on the 2nd. Then from the A minor you add your pinky to the bottom E string, 3rd fret, hit that note, and I just arpeggiate 4 down to 1. And that's the first phrase, okay? So let's do the whole thing. Right from that point, right up to the beginning. If you want to do the intro as well. Okay, and we move into the second phrase. Same as, starts off exactly the same, that third on the second, and then the D minor strum, pinky on top E string, third fret, then this G9, the same again as before, 7th fret of the top E string and 5th fret, or you can do the double note. And then we do the C again, exactly the same as the first time round. Right, now this is where it changes. You play that first on the second and the third on the second. So the second phrase up to that point is more or less the same as the first time round. Second phrase. Right, this is where it changes. Right, and all that is when you come out of the A minor, so you play double notes, top E string, top 1st fret, along with the 4th string open, thumb playing the 4th string, finger playing the top E string. Then the 2nd fret on the 4th with the top E string open. Then we play the 3rd fret on the 4th string, along with the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Thumb playing the 4th string, finger playing the 2nd string. That's right. So you got, and then we go down 1 fret to like an A7 and play the 4th on the 4th string on the 2nd fret and the 2nd string on the 2nd fret together. So you just move that down 1 fret. Then you play the open 5th string. So open 2nd string, 2nd on the 2nd. So then the D minor. Okay, so the whole second phrase. Alright, here we go. Sorry. So the whole thing up to that point, okay? So here we go. Right, the middle section is this F chord here. So I'm playing the 8th fret of the 1st top E string and the 10th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, and I'm just going 4 down to 1, okay? 2 strums, then down with the 1st top E string to the 7th fret, so you go. And then what I do is I play my pinky on the 10th fret of the 2nd string. So I go. Okay, then we play an E minor chord. No bar, I'm just playing a straight, simple shape minor chord, but starting on the 7th fret, top E string, 2nd fret. second string on the 8th fret, and then these two on the 9th fret, 4th and 3rd string on the 9th fret there, 4 down to 1. So you've got then I play the toppy string open and then the A minor chord, then the 3rd on the 2nd, toppy string open. So now you've got then the D minor, 3rd on the 2nd, the E7, then the 1st on the 2nd to the 3rd on the 2nd, then the A minor, 1st on the 2nd, and then add your pinky to the bottom E string 3rd fret. Right, then we repeat this bit again. Third on the 2nd, toppy string open, and then we do this bit again. Okay, so that bit again, the double notes, first string, toppy string, 1st fret, open 4, 2nd on the 4th with top E, 3rd on the 4th with the 3rd on the 2nd, then down 1 fret, open bottom E, open A string, 2nd string, open, 2nd on the 2nd, and then to finish it off we do on a D major chord. Okay, so it's a D major chord, strum, up, add your pinky to the 3rd fret, 2nd toppy string, open toppy string, and then back again to the toppy string 2nd fret. So, right. That's the way I finish it. So there you go, boys and girls. Play along with my playthrough, or and work your way through the lesson, and then say, hopefully you'll make some sense out of that. Thanks very much for watching and listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye.